Today I'm going to show you how to change the waste container on a sharp copier. To do that, you need to open the front door. So you press the tabs on the side, the door will swing right open. This is the waste container right in front. You'll see green tabs on the side. Press on those and the waste container will pop right open. This is the inside of the waste container, so you may see some loose toner on the inside. I would recommend having a trash bag handy so you can place the used waste container directly in the bag. The new waste container will look exactly like this. To put it in, just face it forward so the inside of the waste container is facing the machine. It will slide right in and you'll hear it click. Once it's clicked in, shut the door and it's good to go. After you use your waste container, give AOS a call or send us an email and we'll send a new waste container to you so you have one on hand. Thanks.